In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the universal remote code for Roku Streaming Stick and pair it with your universal remote quickly and easily. Step 1. Find the universal remote code. To begin, you'll need to know the universal remote code for Roku. Some common Roku remote codes include 385 376 01781 10030. These codes work with most universal remotes, but you may need to check the manual of your specific remote for the exact code. Step 2. Program the universal remote. Once you have the code, follow these steps to pair the universal remote with your Roku Streaming Stick. Turn on your Roku Streaming Stick and the TV. Press and hold the TV button on your universal remote until the red indicator stays on. Then release the button. Press and release the power button. The red indicator blinks and then stays on. Enter the Roku universal remote code, for example, 385. The red indicator should turn off. If the red indicator stays on, the code was not correct. Try another code and repeat the process. Step 3. Test the remote. Once you've entered the code, test the remote to see if it works. Try turning the TV on and off, adjusting the volume, or using other Roku functions to ensure it's fully paired. If none of the codes work, refer to your remote's manual for a full list of codes, or perform an auto search method, where the remote will automatically cycle through codes until it finds the correct one. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use a universal remote code for Roku Streaming Stick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.